Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hot chocolate using dairy milk. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of dairy milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Opt for whole milk to achieve the richest, creamiest texture and a full-bodied flavor. Using unsweetened cocoa powder allows you to perfectly control the sweetness level of your drink. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients to ensure a smooth, lump-free drink. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add just a tiny pinch of salt. This small addition significantly enhances the chocolate's depth and richness. Whisk these dry ingredients together very thoroughly until they are well combined. This step is crucial for preventing clumps later on. With your dry ingredients mixed, it is time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in 1 cup of dairy milk into the saucepan while continuously whisking. This slow addition helps create a smooth consistency. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Continue to stir constantly as the mixture heats up. It is important not to let it boil. Simply heat until it is steaming and hot to the touch, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part, customizing your delicious drink. You can add a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light sprinkle of cinnamon or chocolate shavings. Serve it immediately and savor the rich, comforting flavor of your homemade dairy milk hot chocolate. It is the perfect treat for any cozy moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.